Welcome to Drops on Airlight. So today we have this important testnet called Eclipse. Okay, so I'll be guiding you guys on how to navigate this particular testnet. So in the course of this video, I'll be moving from one link to another. So but all these links, they are down there in the description, so you just go there, follow along and pay close attention. Now the first thing we are going to do first is to create an Eclipse wallet. Okay, so to do that you have to install Backpack wallet. Okay, so once you install, this link is down in the description. Just go there, click on it, come over here and create an account. Okay, open wallets, Backpack wallet, and I create an account. Okay, as you can see, I have my own here. Okay, I've already installed the Backpack wallet. Okay, so now after we are done with installing this Backpack wallet, next thing we are going to do is to fund this Backpack wallet. Now to do that, you have to use the Eclipse main site for bridging. Okay, so now once you click that link down in the description, you're going to come to this particular place. This is the main official Eclipse bridge. Okay, so now what we're going to do here is that we are to bridge from Ethereum mainnet to Eclipse mainnet. Okay, so now you have to connect your MetaMask wallet. For me, I have fund in MetaMask, so that's why I connected here. Okay, so you connect your MetaMask wallet here, and then you connect the Backpack wallet here. Of course, we are bridging from Ethereum mainnet to Eclipse mainnet, so I have to connect before I start doing this video because of network problems, so I have to just connect first before I start doing the video. So now once you connect your MetaMask and then connect your, so you have to bridge funds from Ethereum mainnet to down to the Eclipse mainnet. So I've already done this, but I'll just try to do one, but I will not finalize the transaction because I already had funds there. So now for instance, I'll just move 0.002. Of course, the least amount, the minimum amount that you can bridge is 0.002, which is around $4.72. Okay, so now once you come here, click on deposit. Okay, so they will start confirming this thing. Okay, so just like I said, I'm not going to finalize it because I already had funds there already, so I'll just go here and cancel it. Okay, so it's very easy to do. So they are going to of course I'm going to receive 0.002 Ethereum, but they are going to also deduct gas fee. I think it's around $0.18. Okay, within 5 minutes. Okay, so it's very easy one to do. So now once you bridge from Ethereum mainnet to Eclipse mainnet, you will now, the funds will now reflect in your Backpack wallet. As you can see, let me show you here. I have already done that. So now this is my Backpack wallet. I already had $3.05. Okay, how I got this is because I bridged from Ethereum mainnet to Eclipse mainnet. Okay, so now that's the first thing you're going to do. Now after bridging from Ethereum mainnet to Eclipse mainnet, next thing you're going to do is that you have to bridge from Solana as well too. Now to do that, you go to this Hyperlane Nexus bridge. Okay, the link is also down there in the description. So now once you come here, you have to bridge from Solana to Eclipse mainnet. Okay, so now once I come here, now I click on Solana, so and then we are bridging to Eclipse, so Eclipse mainnet first one here. So now you connect your Solana wallet. Me, I have Phantom. Okay, my funds there is Phantom, so come here, so I connect my Phantom wallet, that's Solana. So now once you come here, now what you're going to do here is that you're supposed to bridge Solana so itself. You bridge so to what's it called, Eclipse mainnet. So now if you come to this place, now you select the amount you want to do. Now I have so already here, so now you come here. For me, I have my balance is 0.016, so come here, bridge around 0.015. okay, so now once you come here, then now the recipient's address here should be the Backpack wallet. So now if you go to the Backpack here, you have to copy the wallet address here. So now this is my Backpack. Come here, click on receive, and then copy this link. So now come back here and then paste it. Okay, so now once you are done with this, then initiate it, continue, and automatically these funds will be transferred to your Eclipse mainnet, that's the backpack wallet. Okay, now next we are going to do is, well, you have to also bridge USDC. Okay, so now come here to select the amount you want to bridge. At least $2 worth of USDT and $2 worth of Solana is not bad. Okay, that's $4. Okay, now total of everything should be around, let me say, $9. So now once you do that, you are good to go. So now you bridge from Solana, you have to bridge USDT and also Sol itself to Eclipse mainnet. So now that's the second bridge you're going to do. Now the next thing you're going to do now after bridging, now of course we are done with funding. Now when you're done with this bridging, if you go to your backpack wallet, you see that your wallets have now been funded. Now see, I have $2 here, this Solana worth, and then this Ethereum. Okay, I've already funded my wallet now. So now next thing I'm going to do now is to move over to the main ecosystem, Eclipse ecosystem. So now if you move down here, there are so many partners that are sponsoring this Eclipse. Okay, and the way it works is that you're supposed to come here, at least interact with these people here. So now to do that, you just come here. Of course, some of them we have already used, some of them, and we're still going to use some of them now. Like for instance, this hyperlink we bridged. Okay, so now we bridged, so that means we have accumulated point through this one as well too. So what was which other one we used? We used Eclipse. So we used Eclipse. Okay, so with time I'm still going to make more videos on how to use the invariant. The important one here is this invariant, this asteroid and other ones. Okay, now as you interact with these people here, as you interact with them, you accumulate points for yourself. That's how it works. Okay, now but the main one we are concerned here is this turbo tap. So once you come here, you click on the turbo tap, you are going to get to this page. Okay, now this is the main ecosystem that we want to interact with. Now if I come here, I sign up officially. So now, so for first timers, so once you come here, you will be requested to put an invitation code. Okay, my invitation code is down in the description. So once you come here, you put in the invitation code. So for me, I already had the account already, so I'll just move straight to the account. So I have a token account, so I'll just come here and click. But for you, you have to put the code. If you don't put the code, that is not how you will proceed. So all the way that they verify you is by putting the code. So now sometimes once the code have been used, you have to look for new code. So what will happen is that if eventually you meet this video and then they already used the code, you just drop just request for code down there in the comment section. I'll just copy one from the Discord group and then let you have it. Okay, so now that's it. So now I'll just move over to I already had this, so I'll just install my backpack connect. So now I have successfully connected my account. Now for the first timers, there are three things you have to take notes here. First one is that you have to connect your Discord account. That's the first thing. Second thing, you have to connect your X account. So once you join them, you just authorize. That's the first two socials you have to connect. After you have imputed the code, because the code is the first thing you're going to put. If you don't have the code, there's no how you're going to progress to the next level. So now after doing that, the last thing you're going to do is that you have to mint turbo domain. To do that, I tried doing it in this particular website, but it was delaying. I was receiving an error message, so I have to go to the Discord page and then ask for an alternative on how to do that. So now they shared me a link that I should go to this place and then mint this turbo domain. So once you come here, you connect your account, connect your backpack account. So once you connect here, you then mint. So now to do that, you don't need any. The minting itself is free, okay, but at least you have to have funds in your wallet. Of course, we have funds in our wallet already. So once you just come here, you just click on it. As you can see, I've already minted my own. So once you just come here, mint and claim your domain. So now once you're done with that, if you come back to this place and log in, it will reflect and show that I already maintained that on. So now that's the one. So the last one you're going to do here is that we have to buy grass. So now to do that, you be needing 0.005 Ethereum. So once you come here, collect and buy that one. So next thing you're going to do is that you have to tap as well too. So as you tap here, you accumulate grass points for yourself. As you can see, I have 290 grass here already. So now that's what you're going to do here. So now in my next video, I'll be talking on how to maximize your points. Okay, I don't want to make this video long, already is a long one, but the next video I'll be talking on how to maximize your points. By then I'll be talking on how to make use of some of these system that we have here, like the invariant, the asteroid, and then this infinity. So my next video I will show you guys how to maximize your points using these systems. Okay, so now in summary of what we did here is that first of all we got an Eclipse wallet, okay, which is the backpack wallet. We went ahead to fund this backpack by bridging from Ethereum mainnet to Eclipse mainnet, and then we also bridged from Solana to Eclipse. Okay, and then we moved over to the main ecosystem, which is this turbo tap. So just like I said, once you come here, you need that code, that invitation code. Once you put the code, you just move over to connecting your X and then connecting your your Discord. Once you're done with that, you mint and then come here, buy grass. So once you buy that, what you normally do here is that you buy Ethereum and then convert it to grass. So the converting process is that you have to click on this boom for you to get those grass. Okay, so that's all for now. So in my next video, just like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to get maximize get more points. Okay, so you do well also to join their Discord page. Very important that you join them so that you see everything for yourself here. So now that's all for this particular testnet Eclipse. So you do well to like, subscribe. If I have any question, you ask there down there in the comment section. I will do well to address those questions. So now you watch out for the next video on how to maximize and get more points on this. We're going to do that together, and then by then we have more points. Okay, so I just started this one newly, so let's work together and ensure that we maximize this particular one. Thank you so much.